If you're seeing the message, the email you provided is not supported while trying to sign up or log into ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a really common issue, and in most cases it happens because of the type of email you're using, the sign-up method you chose, or a simple formatting mistake. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get past the error and access ChatGPT properly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open ChatGPT and go to the sign up or login page. If you're already on the error screen, stay there for a moment so you can compare your information as we go through the fix. The first thing you want to check is your email type. ChatGPT may not support certain temporary, disposable, or throwaway email addresses. If you're using one of those, that could be the reason the system is rejecting it. Instead, use a trusted email provider like Gmail, Outlook, or another valid personal or business email address that you regularly use. This simple change solves the issue for a lot of people right away. Next, if your email is already a normal email address and you're still seeing the error, try another sign-up method. For example, instead of typing your email manually, use Google Login if that option is available. You can also try logging in with a phone number if the platform is offering that method in your region. Sometimes, the issue is not your email itself, but the way the account is being created, so switching the login method can make all the difference. Now let's check the formatting because even a small typing mistake can trigger this support error. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your email address. Double check the spelling carefully, especially before and after the @ symbol. Your email should also follow the correct format, like example@gmail.com, with no missing characters and no unusual symbols. If you copied and pasted the email from somewhere else, try typing it manually instead. Copy-paste errors are more common than people think, and they can insert hidden spaces or incorrect formatting without you noticing. If you've done all of that and the issue still continues, refresh the page and try again in a new browser tab. You can also clear your browser cache or switch to another browser if needed. In some cases, browser extensions or saved autofill data can interfere with the sign-up process and cause errors like this one. To keep things simple, use a clean browser session, enter a valid email, and choose the most reliable login method available. Once you've corrected the email type, checked the formatting, and tried an alternate sign-in option, the problem should usually be resolved. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.